In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to disable widgets on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Removing widgets on Windows 11 can improve system performance by reducing the use of CPU, memory, and network resources, especially on devices with limited hardware. To do this, simply click onto the Windows icon and head to Settings. On the Settings page, you will want to head to the option of Personalization. On this page, select onto Taskbar. Inside the section of Taskbar items, you will see this option of widgets. Make sure to disable this option off. When turned off, the widget section will get removed from your desktop. This minimizes distractions, creating a cleaner and more focused workspace by eliminating constant updates, hence faster boot times and a smoother overall user experience. That's how easy it is to turn off widgets completely on your Windows 11 operating system. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.